Is Excel doomed? It's a question that might sound dramatic, but if you work in finance, education, or management, you've probably felt the shift. For decades, Excel was more than just a spreadsheet. It was a rite of passage, a tool that rewarded effort with insight. But now, with artificial intelligence promising instant answers, it's worth asking, what happens to a tool that once made us think when thinking becomes an obstacle? Let's rewind for a moment. When Microsoft first launched Excel for the Macintosh in 1985, nobody could have predicted just how deeply it would embed itself into the world's workflows. 2 years later, Excel joined Windows, and from there it quietly became the backbone of business, research, and even personal finance. Data tracking technology suggests that Excel is currently in use by over 168,000 companies in North America alone, with tens of thousands more across Europe and Asia. These aren't just casual users. These are organizations whose budgets, forecasts, and strategies live and breathe inside those green cells. It's no wonder that Excel proficiency became a genuine signal in the job market. A study of nearly 100 million job postings found that 82% of middle-skill positions required Excel skills. Even now, almost a third of learning and development leaders say Excel is the most in-demand skill for employees. For over 40 years, Excel has quietly challenged us to think in structured ways. A pivot table doesn't build itself. A vertical lookup asks you to understand your data. Nested formulas force you to clarify your logic before the machine can help. Excel's magic has always been that a little structured thought can unlock a lot of insight. But then, everything changed. In 2022, large language models like ChatGPT burst onto the scene. Suddenly, getting an answer meant typing a question and getting a solution in seconds. By 2030, artificial intelligence is projected to become a $1 trillion market, and generative AI tools are being adopted faster than any previous technology. ChatGPT reached 1 million users in just 5 days. Compare that to Netflix, which took 3.5 years to hit the same milestone. The world is more connected than ever, with over 5.5 billion internet users as of 2024. The expectation now is that intelligence is always just a prompt away. Why spend 40 minutes building a cash flow model when you can describe what you want and get a working draft instantly? Even Excel itself has joined the AI wave. Since 2023, Microsoft has been integrating Copilot into Excel, letting users generate formulas, analyze data, and summarize information just by asking in plain language. The tool that once demanded structured thinking now offers to do the thinking for you. But here's something worth remembering. Excel still works offline. In a world where most productivity tools live in the cloud, Excel remains one of the few serious analytical tools you can use anywhere. On a plane, in a cabin, or just in the privacy of your own computer. For financial professionals, researchers, and anyone who values privacy, that's not a small thing. Still, the broader trend is clear. Online, AI-powered alternatives are everywhere, and they promise zero friction. No learning curve, no formulas, no need to understand data structure. You just ask, and the answer appears. For quick calculations or a first draft, that's great. But what happens when zero friction becomes the only thing we expect? When the challenge of thinking through a problem is seen as an inconvenience, not an opportunity to learn. There's a big difference between a tool that makes you better and a tool that just makes things easier. At its best, Excel is in the first category. It forces you to model reality, define your variables, and clarify your assumptions. In doing so, it builds your thinking, not just your spreadsheet. An economist who builds a financial model in Excel isn't just making a file, they're creating a mental map of how a business works. If you replace that process with an AI-generated output, you might get the same numbers, but you lose the understanding that comes from building it yourself. This isn't a new debate. We've seen it with calculators in schools, GPS replacing our sense of direction, and autocorrect changing how we spell. Cognitive science tells us that challenges, what researchers call desirable difficulties, lead to deeper, more lasting learning. The risk with AI-powered Excel and with AI in general isn't that it gives bad answers. It's that it gives good answers without requiring real understanding. So, is Excel doomed? Probably not. But it might be diminished, not because a better tool has come along, but because we're less willing to put in the effort it asks of us. The community of Excel Power users will survive, Financial modelers, data analysts, operations specialists, and even the weekend budgeters will keep finding satisfaction in building something themselves and in the understanding that comes with it. The bigger question is whether tools like Excel, tools that challenge us, can stay relevant in a world that rewards instant output over cultivated skill. Will the next generation see the formula bar as an invitation to think, or just an obstacle to avoid? Tools that challenge us are the ones that change us. The abacus made merchants into mathematicians. The spreadsheet made analysts out of managers. The real question isn't whether Excel is doomed, it's what we become when we stop valuing the thinking behind the answers. If you want to go deeper, check out the related blog post on MyFriendlyBudget.com. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with someone who might enjoy it. And be sure to watch our other videos for more ways to build a meaningful and productive life. Thanks for watching.